Every once in a while, you may find yourself in a situation where you're wanting to work in an area of your model, but find that other parts are obstructing your view. How would you go about isolating that individual part here in 3D Coat's Retopology workspace? For one thing, you've got your voxel object to hide, and then you have your retopo mesh you have to hide. In this case, practically everything is on this one entire layer. So hiding everything doesn't seem to be so easy to do. In your standard 3D application, you probably have all these individual parts separated on their own layer, but not so here. So I'm going to hover over the part, this faceplate, and just like I would in the sculpt room, I'm going to hit the H key, and that's going to pick that part. And you'll see here in the Vox Tree layer panel, it switched to that individual layer. To isolate that part in the Vox Tree layer panel, I'm going to hold down the Alt key and click on the visibility icon. Now to restore the visibility of everything else, I would do the same thing again. I would just Alt click the visibility icon. Now let's go ahead and isolate the retopo mesh. So in the select tool in faces mode, I'm just going to hover over polygon. When it's highlighted, I can double click and it's going to select all contiguous faces. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to hold down the shift key, double click, and now I'm going to come over to the tool panel under the selected section toward the bottom. I'm going to click hide. And you may be asking yourself, well, that's all fine and good, but that's the part I actually wanted to work on. That's fine. We're going to now click invert hidden. So in just a few easy steps, we now have the part isolated to where we can work on it. Okay. Now to unhide everything when we're done performing all the edits we want to make on it, just click unhide. And that's it. So that's hiding parts of your retopo mesh as well as isolating the individual part in your Vox Tree layer panel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next video.